like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. That's just I'm doing what I want.
They're drilling the hole.
Hope you doing what you want.
Highlighting the tread track.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Good morning. What? We should bring camera. Oh gosh, so happy New Year, and yes, as we start off a brand new year, hope your guys' dreams and goals come true this year. Let's see, a little bit of on a positive note. One thing that I can say is time waits on nobody in this life. So live your life to the fullest. Enjoy yourself. Love the people them that love you. Surround yourself with positive people and keep it positive. Mario, you alright? And just know that what is meant for you will always be for you, and nobody can ever take that away from you. And if you didn't strive to be better last year, strive to be better this year, and go after your dreams. Anything that you want to achieve in this life, you definitely can. The only thing I always tell people that's stopping them is yourself, because a lot of us second guess ourselves. We doubt ourselves when it comes to a lot of things, and cancel all the outside noise and do you. Because at the end of the day, when it comes to your downfall, the same people that they say they cheer for you, sometimes they're the same people that boo you. So all I have to say is just live your life on a positive note, and life is too short. Enjoy life to the fullest. Enjoy the people them that love you, that care about you, and just celebrate yourself. Yeah, so we're currently here. I just finished bathing Pops, clean up the kitchen because the house was a mess yesterday when I left. Yeah, I hardly even vlogged, but you know, I'm gonna do better, guys. I'm going to do better. So, because since I've been out here, you know, I'm much better now than I was before. Still can't be too crazy. Yeah, I still can't be too crazy, but I am way better. What do you do? I drop it, just drop. Eh? Babes, how we do? Just drop off of this? What?
Yeah, you come over, wait, you sit here, load up, that's all. You can pop my car in.
Oh, Lord. Well, I guess that's his first boo-boo for the year. Oh, but let me show you guys where things are so far. So far I'm debating, but I'm going to show you guys the whole process of the house and how it looks inside, or I might just wait until things are finished and we start actually like decorating. So yeah, I'm debating whether to do that in just a different video, but maybe I'll show you guys a glimpse of what we're doing. But like once the floor starts tiling, I don't know if I'm gonna wait and just do a whole process where I can show you guys a start to finish video of how it was done, the bathroom and stuff like that, and the rooms, or yeah. So I am still debating whether I'm gonna do that or not. But yeah, we're just here. My hair is looking crazy, but that's okay. Oh gosh, we had so much fun yesterday. I know, I'm telling you guys we had so much fun, and yet I didn't I I don't even know if there was even clips. You guys probably would have seen it in the vlog before this, or if I don't know. Yeah. So, but let me show you what is going on. Mario's working on the veranda. He's gonna put up the ply to start getting it deck. He was just chipping it up. The beam, he was just chipping that up. So let me show you guys what is going on. Oh Lord. Alright. Oh, it's bright. So as you guys see, he just finished chipping that up and he just dropped off this barrel here. Yeah. See my metals them outside. So he's going to put up the decking for the veranda. So we are getting it done, because I want the doors put on. So that's what we're doing, and then here finish cast. So that is what is going on. Like I said, I'm living in a construction zone. For those that are new to the channel, welcome. We are a family of 6. You might just see a family of 5 for now, because my son's not up here, but yeah. But this is what is going on. As you see in here, started getting primed out. What my living and dining room looks like a construction zone, because it's a construction zone for now. As you can see. Oh. So, but like I said, for those that are new, I see you guys, and thank you so much for joining the Williams family. And to the subscribers that said hi to, everybody keeps messing up Fate name. They keep calling her Fate. It's not F-A-I-T-H, it's F-A-T-E. That's how you spell her name, and it's Fate and Fate, 2 different things. So everybody keeps, but to the subscriber from yesterday, thanks for coming up and saying hi.
She was so sweet.
Thanks for coming up and saying hi to Fate yesterday. Yeah, but everybody gets her name. Push up the door, son. Lord have mercy. Sorry, like I said, in here the construction zone. Work is being done. It's a new year, new journey. Not that door. Leave that one open. I want the sun. Huh? Yeah. So to the subscriber that saw Faith and her said, it's so noisy.
She was like, "Are you Faith?" I'm like, "No." And then she was staring at me. I'm like,
But like, yeah, my name, it's not Faith,
no,
it's Fate.
No, because if anybody call me Faith, they could be referring to a whole different person. That's why I said
But I should have been like,
and I was like,
Faith.
so,
It's not Faith,
like,
but my name is
Faith.
Faith.
No, that's not my name. Like, where you know me from? He's like, the Williams family, there was a kid. I was like, that's me, but my name is Faith.
So, big up to yourself, hun. And like I say, guys, if you guys see us, don't stare. Don't just stare. You could come and say hi. We don't bite unless you want us to bite. Yeah, so anytime you guys see us, definitely come and say hi. We don't bite at all. So, hi Papa. You say good morning? Say hi guys. Say hi guys. They can't hear you. Take out the Suda. Yep, let him gone.
Say hi.
So,
Go vlog. Say hi, guys.
you wanna say hi? Say hi guys.
Oh, go back, go back.
There, you see them now?
Look, Mario.
Say hi guys. So guys, he's been a bit sick and under the weather. Yeah, crazy, but he's gotten a lot better now. Yeah, he's gotten a lot better. But like I was saying, welcome to all the new subscribers. We see you and we love and appreciate you. Love and appreciate my old supporters. Same way, continue supporting us. And like I said, make sure when you guys see us, come and say hi. Don't just sit there and stare, because I'm sure I see some of you staring, and then afterwards you guys text or message me and say, oh, did I see you there and there or here? Yes, so come and say hi, right? It doesn't matter how my face look. Come and say hi same way. But anyways, we're getting our day started. Oh Lord, I feel tired already. We had a long day yesterday, and we had a long day late start to our day. But you know what? We are trying to get some work done. Um, anyways, so Mario is just there working. I have some editing to do, so I'm gonna go get that done because I've been slacking as well on stuff that I need to do, and I have one and two company that I need to reply back to. Oh my gosh! So I'm gonna go get to that. So cooking. Yeah, after 4 o'clock.
After 4.
Yeah, well it's 4 now. So we decided we're gonna cook.
Ow! You're gonna eat me. I'm gonna stop pretty fast, you know? Hello, you're not doing go on me. No, that's on. Don't slap me. Ow!
Go ahead.
And you have to get it. Put in the map with your quick and that's put that she wants to say, because I'm going to so big.
Chat. Yeah, man.
No, sir.
Bye, Nana. Nana.
Yes, you didn't kiss it and smell my
Hey.
Yes, Joshua. I am vlogging.
I like plastic spoon.
When you come to my house, just know that there will be a camera in different parts of the house. So, if you catch on camera, that's not your business.
Yeah, we're born to catch already.
Your cat's funny, you down.
Unless you have something behind. Hello, only people who have something behind are going to camera. Tell you that.
We not have nothing to hide.
We have
What you doing, man?
Oh, wait, no.
Come on.
Hello, we don't want to talk to them.
Chat. I went in that box out.
Not wrong, I'm not wrong.
I have Max with it. I don't know what Max like.
Mario.
We are dada.
Chat, remember that?
No.
Oh,
Right,
yeah.
sunflower.
Sure. What do you know about that?
So I will go drink it.
Chat, feet drink tea.
Every one time.
You know, we don't really drink, but like first time eat everything. No. Yes, when I drink Kishan, it keeps me killing intro.
What?
Yeah, man.
No, we can't.
But like, it's like when you have time with your wife, you don't have none. You don't,
Of course.
you don't feel you.
Most men have to they drink to
Erectile.
so
Do what? Me don't hear that.
most men they drink something they're working.
Yeah.
You don't want no shortcomings, so make
Thank
sure
you.
you're young.
Yo,
Why
yo,
you
yo,
don't
yo,
have
yo,
lots of the
Remember we left the
have the
yard.
same problem nowadays.
You have to drink 1 5 background to see if you want to see it like.
Imagine you're in your 20s and you can't get it up. A lot of young men because you don't drink too much, you don't drink the boom, you don't drink the Red Bull, you don't read up on the back of what it says, what's in it.
You know, sometimes you
Right?
drink don't be water drink with it.
Smoke the weed, the cigarettes, on a hard liquor, I wanna just today I drink like coffee. You go someone who can handle it.
So when I go for the woman, that
So,
no, you want to know about problem, you know?
oh, Mario's doing electrical work. Let me show you. So, in here helping. Yeah, run. You're running. Helping the electrician do the electrical work. So, the wires are finally being pulled through. And of course, don't go there, Papa. Ooh, Lord. The sun's in the eye. So, Mr. Williams is hard at work. Here, when we come on, mine a little drop for me. Or Mario, come out here. So, him the frame up. But he needs to frame up. So, he can start getting the stuff we put on. Guys, I'm finally gonna have a veranda. That overseas they call it porch. Finally. Oh, I've been waiting. Look at the place I sleep up this morning. Let me tell you, say, don't mind my house. It's a construction zone now, you guys know. But as you see me, I cook something and I go make feet to deal with the rice. So we'll just finish. Oh, where I go with this squid? Oh my God! Hurry up! I drop you sitting there in drop off of that today. Papa, what's that? What was that? What was that? Huh?
Hey, I would like you old fucking man. I'm
Hello. The last time somebody bust one of them, they almost dropping a rum on your head. Huh? And that was at I think the garden party. Yeah, and just they fling it.
Today when Shan, today when it's a light, you're holding it in your hand. Try the black one, you see.
I wouldn't, even if you could hold it in your hand, I wouldn't try that. You haven't seen the help. You see, I help and now you're tired for that. It's so funny how they always purposely walk in the things that you're not supposed to walk in. You know, I'm going. Yeah, now go on going there, so. Oh, sorry. Okay, let me go finish check on the thing. I didn't turn on the light in here because I don't need it. You're getting a nice little breeze. I can't wait until my kitchen is done. For me as a woman, the most important part of my house is my kitchen and my bathroom. Those are the two top tier parts. Well, and the room that I sleep in. But yeah, those are like my top tier things. Let me look up when I just open the items to be on.
black out the total 1,000. You know the black. Yoy! Yeah.
Yeah, when you put them up in a fountain.
I don't come black, you know, I just put on black, you know. You just put on black.
Oh, I
But it done.
So when you work for people, you don't want money, you just do the work.
No, I
and you
come
hope
money.
them pay you.
Think me come money.
Yes, you
No, black or black, we just put on black again and I eat that.
There should be 1,000 out there. Yes!
Yo, watch out.
Ah!
Man, man. Sure. Jesus Christ, man, now show your body, man, life. So, what?
Go put the chain on his red. Red on ya?
No.
I don't think I brought the other one.
I got a cooling matty.
Oh, I forgot something to leave him. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, guys. You know, say hi. Mario wants to help Dada work. Mario, they're drilling the hole.
Lift it up and do it.
I lighting they try turn on it. Turn it off. So loud. Them try clip my wings so we can't fly out. When we there life not so than Jamaica.
Yeah, stop it.
Mario, you about for the tools? Hmm? I like them. Oh god. You know, see, I can't manage it. They try to put it.
Careful with the eyes.
Oh lord.
Yes, be careful.
Romero caught that on camera. What was that? Huh? What was that? Yes, yes. Oh Lord. So I finished cook dinner now. Oh Lord. I finished cook early, but Mario's saying not ready to eat yet. So oh. Okay. Now work. You know hear they make this sound like that?
Careful with the eyes, okay?
Okay, let Dada finish do it then. Gina smile. Don't put your hand there, boy. Oh, you want to put your hand, if your hand with your hand there. Lord have mercy. Mario.
Okay now?
Okay, alright, Dada turn.
You okay now? Let me talk. It's not working?
Yeah, I forgot get him a tool set, babes. You see the kid one? Because then he can do the same thing. See, you remember me to tell us if you buy one, you know? And you're like, no. Ow, ow, ow.
Okay. It's too heavy.
You know, how are the button you're pressing? Try for pressing yourself.
Right here, look. Here.
Hmm?
This one.
Oh, God. Oh. you don't stop lying to you.
Hello. Run, man.
Put my phone down.
Nah, forget. Nah, forget. Well said.
Only well said. I don't have a phone, but well said.
What's that?
Let me sit down on the phone. No, come out. Come pop up. Oh my. It's not working? Come, your nose is running. You're gonna have to get a wipe for your nose.
Give that a try.
Let Dada try and do it. You look so. No, I think Mara took it off.
No, not that. This is not that one.
Hey guys, so so it is late, same day. I just showered and well, I didn't just shower now. I showered earlier, and we had dinner, and we're just here. Yeah, pop. So Mario is still doing the veranda.
Yeah.
So let me show you guys. I want just before I end the vlog because I didn't even come back. Where you giving that back? Put in your mouth. You get $500. Come now, babes. If you eat the bird pepper. No, 500 Jamaican. No, you have to chew it up. Okay, I'll give you 500 Canadian, but you have to chew it.
Oh shit. Run me the money.
Run your money, stop it. Give me money.
Give me my yummy. Give me my yummy. 500 Canadian is how much? We're not 50 grand out here.
Say faith. Stop misbehaving. Everybody's like, stop it.
You should get one too.
Okay. I know.
I just you want tie alone get one.
So let me show you guys what he's out here doing. Yeah. So we're helping Dada. So as you see, he started putting up the decking. Look, you see that sleep out here, okay?
Who you?
Yeah, I slept the corner. I know, aren't you proud of me?
No.
Romario, come. Come.
American bamboo stick from a pole. This is me to dance for you. I light up.
Okay, so and I put up the something with them to hold up.
I wouldn't even like it. They go take away. You know, I just like that on the deck here.
Wally for light.
Like,
There's no light there anyways.
hello.
If you want to see the star, you go out there to go see the stars. An idea for what? Hello, you have Wally for light. At least the good thing here will be able to hang clothes on there when it rain. Yeah. Hitch a line and something there. So yeah, so that's what he's doing, guys. We're out here. We're out here keeping his company. You seen the run, guys? Eh? The lad. Come eat the pepper face. Come eat the pepper. The face favor 500 Canadian dollar. Oh, you hold and push the pepper in your mouth. Oh gosh. See the kitchen's a mess. Fate needs to come sweep. Look at the floor. I mopped it this morning and look how dirty it is. But then again, I'm gonna have to sweep it and re-mop it. Yeah. That's okay. I'm counting down the days till in here gets tiled. Go Papa. Go Papa. Go, Papa. You dancing? Go, Papa. Go, Papa. Go, Papa. Come here, Pop. What do you put down? There's something. I want to eat. I the rock him pushing him out for you.
Pushing him out. And go,
Dirty. Why you eating the rock for? So, late night work. Hey. You see, I guess our neighbors that play music, so you have a late night work with a little bit of vibes going on. And if you guys wondering where Rissa is, Rissa's in her room. Rissa's in her room on her laptop as usual.
Give mommy a kiss.
I love you. Say hi, guys. Yeah, say hi. Say hi, guys. Say bye. Tell them bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Say see you guys in the next vlog. Say see you guys in the next vlog. You know, say.
Watch out, watch it, watch out.
It's all like me. I kind of lose my voice from yesterday. My voice
Or yesterday, the night before.
Well, the night before too, because my voice is kind of going and coming. Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
So,
bye. Y'all go somewhere?
anyways,
Y'all got
guys,
here?
we will catch you all in the next vlog. See you in the next one. Stay blessed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the Williams fam, where it's always a vibe over here.